Here to this live fitness to collect my bounty. I won the challenge in 15 minutes. I won like 100 steps of doing the stairs. Okay, so I'm the winner of February month. So this is my present. All right, this recovery mini massager power gun. Okay, it has like 1, 2, 3, 4 attachments, and it is about 2 or 3 hours if you want to charge it, but it's already come pre-charged. So this is the present for me, so I didn't buy it. But if you guys want to buy this, it's gonna be in Live Fitness in PTC Surabaya. So it comes with the USB Type-C charger and 5 level. First level, second, third, fourth, fifth level. That's it.